Hello guys, welcome to your 8th HTML5 tutorial, and in this video I'll be talking about lists. So creating list is very easy in HTML5. We just have to remember some tags. Actually we don't have to remember the tags, we have to just practice it like a couple of times, and you will understand it very clearly. So there are total 3 types of lists. They are the ordered list, the unordered list, and lastly the description list. So basically the ordered and unordered lists are taught in every videos you will find in YouTube, but the description list is what I'll be focusing it more clearly, because most of the YouTubers or most of the people who are trying to teach you lists or trying to teach you HTML5 skips this description list. I don't know why, but they do. Okay, so let's start our today's video. Inside that, to create a list we have to use the UL tag, and the UL stands for unordered list. We'll be creating the unordered list first, and inside that let's use the LI tag. The LI stands for lists, and let's write oranges. Let's create another one for apples, and lastly let's create another one for like okay, papaya. Okay, let's save it, and if I reload it, you can see we have this unordered list. It is known as unordered list because there is no numbering in this list. So to create the ordered list we have to use the OL tag. This is very easy. See, the UL stands for unordered list and the OL stands for ordered list, and inside the OL tag you have to use the list tag again, and let's write oranges. Let's write guava, and let's create another one. Let's say blueberry. Okay, now if I just save it, and yes, we have this ordered list here. So these are very easy. I'll not be discussing further more about these 2 things, but what I'll be talking about is the description list. Okay, so the description list is basically the unordered list having some description about the content, right? So for this we don't have to use the UL tag, rather we have to use the DL tag, that stands for description list. Okay, so inside the DL tag we have to use 2 types of tags. One is for the header or the content, and another is for the description. For the content we have to use the DT tag. So let's write Cratcode here, and now we have to use, for each DT tag we have to use one or more DD tag. So the DD tag is for the description of the content, and let's see, let's write, okay, that will be DD, and let's write here new way to learn properly. Okay, nice. And let's create another one, and let's just say HTML5. Okay, HTML5, and let's give a description, and let's see, let's write create a web page. Okay, what did I wrote? Web page. Yes. Now if I save it and reload it, okay, now this is the description tag that I was talking about. This is the header, and this is about the description of this one. Again, this is the header, and this is the description for this one. Now what we can do is just use a hyphen here and here, and if I just save it and reload it, now it looks more better, right? So it says that Cratcode stands for, or the description for Cratcode is a new way to learn properly, and the description for HTML5 is create a web page. So basically these are the 3 types of links you need to know, and there are no ways to create another list. You can use the CSS property to change this Roman number and change it to squares or something like the I don't know, like the bulletings or something like that. So now basically these are the main things that you need to know to create lists. Stay tuned with Cratcode. In the future videos we will be teaching you something more and something more interesting. Thank you, take care.